Removing rusted lug nuts, tightening heavy-duty bolts, or handling automotive repairs can be frustrating when using underpowered tools. That's why cordless impact wrenches have become essential for mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, and homeowners alike. They deliver impressive torque, faster performance, and the freedom to work anywhere without being tied to a power outlet. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best cordless impact wrenches of 2026. We researched product features, specifications, and user feedback to create this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tool reviews. Number 5. ONEVAN 500 Nm Brushless Cordless Impact Wrench. The ONEVAN 500 Nm brushless impact wrench is designed for users who need strong performance without spending a fortune. Its brushless motor delivers up to 500 Nm of torque, making it suitable for tire removal, automotive maintenance, construction work, and heavy fastening tasks. The cordless design provides excellent mobility, while the lithium-ion battery offers reliable runtime for extended projects. Featuring a 1/2-inch drive, variable speed control, and durable construction, this tool combines power, efficiency, and convenience in one compact package. Number 4. JAVN 12-volt Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench. The JAVN 12-volt Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench is a compact solution for working in tight spaces where larger impact wrenches cannot reach. Delivering up to 45 Nm of torque through its 3/8-inch drive system, it is ideal for light automotive repairs, furniture assembly, and maintenance work. Its right-angle design improves accessibility around engines and confined areas. The lightweight construction reduces user fatigue during long jobs, while the cordless operation and rechargeable battery provide flexibility for both home users and professional technicians. Number 3. BINGK 600 NMM Brushless Cordless Impact Wrench. The BINGK 600 NMM Brushless Impact Wrench offers an excellent balance of power and versatility. Equipped with a high-performance brushless motor, it produces up to 600 Nm of torque for demanding jobs such as wheel removal, equipment maintenance, and structural fastening. Its 2-in-1 design allows it to function as both an impact wrench and screwdriver, increasing overall usefulness. Variable speed settings provide better control, while the lithium-ion battery ensures dependable operation. Durable construction and ergonomic handling make it a strong choice for everyday use. Number 2. ALLSIETO Tool Brushless Impact Wrench for Milwaukee 18V Battery Systems. The ALLSIETO Tool Brushless Impact Wrench is built for users already invested in Milwaukee 18V battery systems. Featuring a powerful brushless motor, this tool delivers strong fastening and loosening performance for tire changes, automotive repairs, and workshop projects. Its electric ratchet wrench design offers excellent control while maintaining impressive torque output. Multiple configuration options allow users to select the setup that best suits their needs. Durable materials, ergonomic handling, and cordless convenience make this model a practical addition to any tool collection. Number 1. Seesii WH700 Cordless Impact Wrench. The Seesii WH700 earns the top spot thanks to its outstanding combination of power, speed, and reliability. Featuring a brushless motor capable of producing up to 650 Nm of maximum torque and speeds reaching 3,300 RPM, it handles stubborn lug nuts, heavy bolts, and demanding repair jobs with ease. The package includes 2 4.0 amp-hour batteries for extended runtime and reduced downtime between tasks. Its 1/2-inch drive, ergonomic grip, and durable construction make it suitable for professional mechanics and serious DIY users seeking high-performance cordless power. If you need fast, powerful, and convenient fastening performance, a cordless impact wrench is a valuable investment. These 5 models offer different levels of torque, portability, and features to fit various needs and budgets. Whether for automotive repair, construction, or DIY projects, there's a great option here for you. Which model is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.